Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem your Target gift card. First, go to Target.com and sign in to your account. Then click on your username at the top and select Account from the drop-down menu. From the left tab, click Gift Cards. Click on Save a New Gift Card button. Now gently remove the metallic strip on the back of your gift card to reveal both the card and access numbers. Enter the card and access number and click Add. This is how you can redeem your Target gift cards. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.